I think I like these more than I should. YouTube family, let's take it back to 1992. What's good? What's going on with y'all, man? Big shout out to Grail Brand. We got to start off the video, man. Shout out to Grail Brand, upcoming small time business that is, you know, doing big things, man. I definitely like their gear, man. I got to shed some light on it, man. Shout out to Grail Brand for sending your boy this tee a while back. Y'all can get tees like this from Grailed Brand on Instagram, man. Let me give him a quick shout out, man. Support. But yes sir, man. What's good with y'all? Your boy Jay is back early, man. Thumbs it up, man. Look, man, we need that K or better, man. We need that 1K or better, man. So hey, 2K is the goal as always, man. But thumbs it up for your boy Jay, man. I do have an early look for y'all, and I might have another early look tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna do an early look or if I'm gonna do it on feet. I don't even know, because I got him, man. But we do got an early look of a shoe that is set to be released, and I want to say November, next month, man. I got a whole bunch of November kicks in the building, man. But I think next month. Let me be for sure and do my research. So according to my cellular device, and who is this from? Kicks on Fire. From my cell phone and Kicks on Fire, saying that these will be releasing on November 10th. November 10th, retail on these will be $210. So yes, that's the shoe right there that we gonna be talking about. Yeah, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. But man, look, we gonna be talking about those shoes. I actually peeked at them. And they look good to me, man. Minus the materials and all that might have people thrown off. I think it's a solid colorway. So yeah, we gonna talk about it, man. Before we do it, this is y'all first time stopping through, man. Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, man. Jay the Sneaker Guy. Look, I would love for y'all to stick around. How you do that is very simple. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button, man. Join the family. Do it, man. Hit it real quick. Join the family. As well as I told y'all before, man, thumbs it up. It is free. That's all I ask for y'all to do, man. The vibes is right. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a little bit better. You know, I'm still kind of stuffy. You know, you probably can hear it, but I'm getting a little bit better, man. So hey, I ain't complaining at all. But yes, today we talking about these. So without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get right into it. Yes sir, appreciate that, my guy, man. Bang, man. Look, man, shout out to the homie who just tossed me the lob on these, man. Zay, Souls by Zay. Look, man, Tiggy. You know what I'm saying? Look, I feel like I'm Gucci Mane in 2006. If you know, you know. That's back when Gucci Mane used to be Tiggy, Ziggy. He was going crazy back then. But if you know, you know. But shout out to Souls by Zay, man. He did hit your boy with the live on this one. So I do have him here early. He does sell early shoes over there as well, man. So if y'all want anything early, your boy Jay stamps him. I'm gonna link him down below in the description. Souls by Zay, 100% A1, man. That's another one of my brothers, man. So hey, we do got the special packaging, as you can see, the all over navy box. It looks very similar, kind of, sort of. I mean, is it? Hold on. Nah, it's a different color. It's a different color. So let me show y'all that real quick too. So it is a different color from what we got on the 4s. You see that? It's different. It's not the same. It's different. So you do got a slightly different look on the two boxes. Of course, this one is more of a... Is it a darker? I don't know, man, but we ain't talking about the boxes, bro. You do got the speckles all throughout it. You got the circle on the top with the light blue in the background. Air Jordan Flight Club. That's what you got written on that. Size tag on this one does read Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. Color blocking is Midnight Navy Black. So this is the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 5s. Take a look at that real quick. I did go true to size 9. Sometimes I do go 8.5 on my Jordan 5s because they're such a bulky shoe, but I just went with the Nina today, man. That's the bottom of it, y'all. So I just went with a size 9. When you pop open the box lid, you will get a sticker, a little QC sticker right there in the middle, as you can see. Any lot numbers? No lot numbers, man, but there is a white and green sticker right there in the back. Got a white and green sticker that comes right there in the back, and you do got your cement paper right there on the front again, and shoes, y'all. Let's take a look at them, man. We got the Air Jordan 5 Midnight Navies. Bang, man. So here we go, man. The Air Jordan 5 Midnight Navy set to release on November 10th, I think is what it said. November 10th for $210, and boy, I like them. And I'm not that big on Jordan 5s, bro. I'm not a Jordan 5 guy at all, but this is giving me, like, I don't know, bro, PE. it's giving me a PE type of vibe, man. I like what they did with them. Materials could have been different, but I'm not mad at the materials that they used on this at all. I think it's a solid shoe. It's gonna be up there when I give it a rating on a scale from 1 to 10. But here we have them, the Jordan 5 Midnight Navies. First look. Bang! There they go right there, man. So talk to me, man. What are y'all first initial thoughts of the Jordan 5 Midnight Navies? Like I said, y'all, I think they nice, man. They are giving premium, you know what I'm saying, like PE, bro. It's just, it looks like a PE to me, man. But as you can see, one thing that I know people are gonna complain about is the material on this shoe. It is kind of over the place, man. It looked like we got like a leather, right? A leather suede, basically a leather that was like frayed up. If you took some sandpaper and you just rubbed it up across a solid leather, it's gonna fray it up and it's gonna kind of look like this and give you this type of feel on the front toe cap area. Then it moves into a canvas material right here all throughout the uppers, man. So you got canvas, we got a form of leather / suede, then it goes into more canvas. So this whole upper part right here is all canvas. Then you got that leather type of, you know, frayed up, I don't know, man. It's like a frayed up leather on the back. It's not, bruh, it's like a rough, yeah, it's like, I don't know, it actually looks like it could be like a fleece that was frayed up, and then they, picture this, freeze flayed up, and then you put like a heat gun to it or something to give it that stiff type of feel. Like, I don't know, bro, but you see it right there, man. You do got that material on the back. You got a black stitch jump, man. Clean. Look at that, man. Midnight Navies. This is giving me, bruh, what shoe? Georgetown. This is giving me Georgetown vibes in a way. But what? I'm trying to think. What school, man? Purdue? What? Is Purdue? I think Purdue is like a navy and blue, if I'm not mistaken. Nope. Penn State, not Purdue. I'm saying Purdue. Penn State. I think Penn State is the team I'm thinking about, but man, y'all don't quote me because I don't know my teams, but this definitely gives me a nice little premium vibe, man. I think that these are clean. These are gonna go crazy with some white laces, y'all. I mean, why not? We could kind of experiment real quick while we right here, right? We can get an idea. So bam, let's just say we threw some white laces in there, man. Ideas. Look, what y'all thinking, man? I think them white laces is gonna pop. They gonna pop in this shoe, man. So I'm definitely gonna throw some white laces in here. I know a lot of y'all was gonna throw some white laces in here as well, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't nothing special about them, but I think the white laces will give it a nice little pop to go off that mid. So very similar, man. Very similar to the Jordan 5 Oreos. The Jordan 5 Oreos, I think they had a whole different name for it the last time it retroed, but that shoe looked incredibly good with some white laces. That video actually did like amazing for me, and a lot of y'all liked that video when I made that video back in the day. But I think that this will have that same effect when you throw those white laces in them. It does come with the unique style of like two-tone black and navy blue laces, as you can see right there. No extra laces are included, man. No extra laces are included, so that's all you get with these. So you're gonna have to, you know what I'm saying, go in your lace bag or whatever and grab some laces for these, man. But overall, this is a solid shoe, even down, bro, even down to the cage on the side, man. It's like a tinted black. You got like a nice soft gray, you know what I'm saying, tint on that cage. I think that that's hard, bro. And you have the same thing going all throughout the little hits of around the laces, that nice little gray touch, man. So I think that they did these pretty hard, man. These are dope. They could have did a white, you know what I'm saying, side panel. I think it wouldn't have came out as nice, you know what I'm saying? Like, but bro, I think that these are hard. These are definitely hard. Glad that I picked them up. These will be staying in the collection for sure. I will hit y'all with the on feet to these, man. But let me know, man, what's y'all thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 5 Midnight Navies. Like I said, we can argue about the materials on this shoe. And look, bro, I could throw it on with this fit. You know what I'm saying? Like, simple, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could do something like this. I don't have to do orange laces because that'll be overkill. That's something I probably would have did earlier years on my channel because, you know, y'all liked it. But typically my style is kind of calm, chill. I'll do something like this. I might throw white laces in there if I throw white pants or something like that on with these. So white pants, white laces, crazy fit. But then again, you know, if I throw on the white pants, I don't know if I want to do white laces. I might orange. That's when the orange might pop out, you know what I'm saying? Because I have on some stacked jeans and bruh, come on, man. Y'all talk to me, man. But the Jordan 5 Midnight Navies, I think that these are cold. November 10th, $210, man. I think that these are gonna sell pretty good. I don't think they're gonna sell out instantly, but I think that they won't sit around too long. But y'all give me y'all thoughts and opinions on them. One last look at them. These are clean. These are clean, man. I'm not mad. So let me get a thumbnail right there. Hold on. Turn that upside down. Boom. There we go. That's a little cool little thumbnail right there, man. I think that these are dope. Y'all talk to me. Leave a comment down below. Thumbs the video up. Your boy Jay is gone. With this one, like I said, if y'all want to get this tee, I know y'all probably gonna ask about it. Grailed brand over on Instagram. Telling your boy Jay sent you. And yeah, that's it, man. We checking out. Didn't even mention, man, like I love the blacked out details, the smoked out details, man. Smoked out lace lock with the navy blue lock on inside of it, man. This is a dope shoe, man. But I'm out. Y'all stay blessed. Till tomorrow. Peace.